Cardano is a decentralized blockchain platform that was created in 2015 by Input Output Hong Kong, a blockchain development company led by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum. It's named after the Italian polymath and mathematician Girolamo Cardano. Cardano aims to provide a more secure and sustainable infrastructure for decentralized applications and smart contracts. It's designed to be more energy efficient and scalable than other blockchain platforms, such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. By using a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, Cardano is divided into two layers, the Cardano settlement layer and the Cardano computation layer. The CSL is responsible for handling the cryptocurrency transactions and maintaining the ledger, while the CCL is responsible for handling smart contracts and dApps. The Cardano platform uses a unique approach to development, called a research-first approach, which involves peer-reviewed research to inform the design of the platform. This approach is intended to ensure that Cardano is based on sound principles and can provide a secure and sustainable infrastructure for dApps and smart contracts. The native cryptocurrency of the Cardano platform is called ADA, which can be used for staking, transaction fees, and as a means of exchange. Cardano has gained popularity in the cryptocurrency community due to its innovative approach to blockchain development, and it's considered to be one of the top blockchain projects in the world.